Forecasts are often incorrect and supply subject to variability. Accounting and physical inventories are always misaligned. There are large stocks of little-used components and products and continuous stockouts of indispensable ones. Affected by these and other problems is inefficient production, the buyers stressed by the management of emergencies, and the final customers who complain of poor performance. Increasing the level of inventories and thus availability leads to unsustainable capital immobilization. With the help of some experts, the company introduced a pull Kanban system to rationally manage the warehouse and avoid excessive stockpiles. With the passing of time, though, the team discovers the limits of the manual Kanban. Some cards have been lost, the parts consumption has varied, but no one has time for maintenance. Inventory turnover worsens and new stockouts occur. Kanban Rocket is finally here. It's the latest generation cloud platform for electronic Kanban. The operator releases the order of the consumed part by scanning the container's barcode. The signal immediately arrives in the internal supplier, who prints the new card and delivers on schedule. Using the supply chain network function, the company can also connect to external partners and ensure full visibility in real time of procurement along the entire supply chain. Thanks to electronic tracking, Kanban Rocket allows you to benefit from all the advantages of the manual Kanban system and remove its limits at the same time. It is accessible anywhere and anytime. It is a smart software that actively supports planners in sizing and maintaining Kanban loops. It also simplifies order placement and goods accepted by digitizing and automating paper flows. It guarantees full performance monitoring of your Kanban system. Kanban Rocket works in synergy with your ERP system, offering superior features and performances compared to any other internal module. Kanban Rocket allows a quick return on investment. It can be requested in cloud version or as a dedicated business portal, and it is graphically customizable. Kanban Rocket is simple, efficient, and fast. Request the activation of a free 30-day trial to discover and try all the Kanban Rocket features, or write us for a demo.